Alright, third time lucky, so the big day has come. It's a Saturday morning, been up since 3 AM. We've got all the guys on site, so we're going to have about 15 guys here today because we want to get this slab in and done. So this job's had major delays with the removal of the existing house, and then it's just been raining ever since we've been trying to do this slab. So everyone is pumped today. We're all here. We're going to get this thing in. We're going to smash it out so that we can continue on with this project. All right, so we are 29 cube down. We've got about another 24 to go. The sun is shining and I cannot get the smile off my face. It has been a mission to get this slab down, and the boys are smashing it. Everyone's doing a great job. It's a Saturday and I cannot wait to hit the surf once we get the last concrete truck in here. All right, so we're halfway through our concrete pour. What we've just done here, we've had a bit of a break, so we've poured all the suspended area at the back because it's all 40, 20, 80, just standard grade concrete. And now we're waiting on our coloured concrete to come for this front part of the job because we're doing a hyper floor finish. We actually had 2 bookings, we had an hour between them, and the reason we've done that is because we've turned the truck around. We've actually completely washed the pump out, and the reason we've done that is so that we don't get any contaminants of the standard grade concrete mixed in with the coloured stuff. And look, you might be saying, why wouldn't you pour your coloured stuff first? We don't do a lot of work here on the Sunshine Coast, and for some reason on the Sunshine Coast here they won't deliver coloured concrete in the morning, and to do a slab of this size we need to start early. So we've done all of our grey stuff. We started pouring at 6:45 this morning. We've got all that in there, 32 cubes, and now we're just waiting on the coloured concrete to show up. But we've got a nice clean fresh pump ready to get the colour in, and that way we won't get any contaminants through, because the last thing we want to see is grey streaks through the coloured concrete. So there's a lot more to pouring concrete than what most people think. So we've just got some of the boys down the back now. We're starting to strip the formwork off the concrete hobs. So the reason we're doing that is so we can actually get a good class 1 hand finish on them, and we don't have to worry about the joint where the face of the hob meets the finished slab in the garage area. So yeah, it's really crucial that we do this at the right timing, make sure the concrete's not too soft, not too hard, so that we can strip the formwork off, still be able to work the face of it and get a nice finish off it. So the boys down the back are doing a cracking job. Our coloured concrete's not far off, and we'll keep going on this pour. All right, so we're almost done. We're just waiting for the white concrete to go off enough that we can put the trowel machine on it and finish it up. It's been a crazy day, been a pretty overwhelming day. Like, this slab has been a hell of a job to get it into this stage. So we've had all of our delays with the house removal, and then we've just had so much wet weather literally from the day we started on site here. So it's taken us about 3 months now to get this slab in. There's been a hell of a lot of work involved, a lot of detail. The entire team has done an incredible job. All the DPS Constructions guys, Shay behind the camera, the concreting crew that we've had today have just been phenomenal, and the finish we've got is excellent. It's definitely up to the DPS Construction standard. So I am a bit overwhelmed, to be honest. Like, whenever you're pouring concrete, it's hectic. There's lots going on, and then having the 2 different coloured concretes on the one slab, and having to wash the pump out in between, and then rain being predicted today when we've been washed out twice before. Like, it's just been building up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to cracking a beer with the boys and going over and maybe catching a wave.